Hi friends, welcome back. This is ACASIS NVMe M.2 Thunderbolt 3-4 enclosure. The support speeds up to 40 Gbps and is backward compatible with Thunderbolt 3 as well. And it is very good for Apple ecosystem as internal memory if it is too small, and it can be upgraded easily with a internal SSD to be placed in the SSD enclosure which supports Thunderbolt 3 or 4. Let's unwrap it. This comes with a special Thunderbolt 4 cable, and that is to be connected always with the case and not to be displaced. Let's open it. If we connect other cables, then the speeds will be lesser, so it is always good for connecting the cable that comes with this. Let's open the SSD enclosure itself. This looks like a very good quality SSD enclosure. The model number is 405 Air. And it can be opened toolless. It comes with the cable, and this is the warranty sticker or slip. And there are rubber stops along with thermal pads to dissipate the heat from the SSD. And this is the adapter for connecting the smaller size SSDs. This is the manual itself that explains in both English as well as Chinese on what are the contents of the package, and also about the connection speeds and various other details pertaining to this model. And this is the cable. It's not too short, and it is marked with Thunderbolt 4. It's looking like a quality cable that gives the speed of 40 Gbps. And the adapter is not required for me right now because I am fixing a 2280 model SSD, and thermal parts are required. Thank you.